Hello everyone. Before we start the video, let me ask you one simple question. What if you could watch the option chain, candle chart and OI data at the same time on a single screen without switching between tabs? Most option chain tools don't allow this, but in LOC Calculator, there is a powerful feature called split screen, which allows traders to analyze the multiple tools simultaneously. These features make analysis faster, clearer, and much more efficient. So in this video, we will understand how to use split screen and historical data together to improve the market analysis. First of all, how to open the split screen. Okay, so first go to the here home page, and here in the third option in the sidebar, the option is the split. So once you click on this button, the screen will automatically divide into multiple panels. Okay, now you can select which tool you want to display on each side. For example, if you can keep the option chain on the left hand side and the candle chart on the right hand side. This allows you to observe how the market reacts to the levels shown in the option chain while watching the price chart at the same time. Using historical data in split screen, this feature is very helpful. If you want to study past market behavior or backtest to analyze, to do first to go to the historical data option. Okay, here you need to select the few things. Here you need to select like such as first you choose the instrument such as Nifty, Bank Nifty, or any stock. Okay, then you have to select the expiry date and on which date you have to see. Okay, after then you have to choose the date and time. Date and time, you have to choose the date and time for which you want to load the historical option chain. Once you click OK, here submit, the system will start showing the option chain data from that exact moment in the past. Now here in the split screen, and here is the setting, you have to click the historical OC table and submit it. And here in the candle chart, also here in the setting, you have to click on the historical candle chart. Okay, see this historical data available here. Okay, so for practical example with the split screen, now the real benefit comes when you use the historical data inside the split screen. Okay, for example, if you can keep the historical option chain one side and the candle chart on the other side, this allows you to clearly observe how the market market reacted to the option chain levels at that time. Okay, now you can see where volume build up, where OI had increased, and how the price reacted on that chart. Okay, so this makes the split feature extremely useful for learning backtesting strategies and improving trading accuracy. So this is how you can use the split screen feature along with historical data in LOC Calculator to improve your market analysis. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with the traders. In the upcoming videos, we will explore more powerful features of the LOC, and I will also explain you how the Motif AI tool and the divergence uh, CAT and the divergence and the Motif AI tool works in the live market. All right. Thank you.